I'd like to invite you to utilize the services of my law firm if you have any immigration problem whatsoever. I've practiced immigration law for many years in New York City, Florida, California, been involved in matters in Shanghai, Hong Kong. If you have any problem, whether it is removal, obtaining a visa, obtaining a fiancé visa, the possibility of revising your visa, anything whatsoever, I've been experienced in handling that matter. We all know there has to be a change in immigration policy in our country. I would project that within the next 2 years, Obama comes out with a comprehensive immigration reform bill that will pass and become law. I believe this is probably going to be his last accomplishment that the Republican congressional people will let him have, because they want something changed as well. It looks as if there may be some type of period where one may obtain a green card, as it's called, which is in green. It's simply a permanent residency card and paperwork. Then, after 5 years, as is now the case, citizenship is possible. The point is, I am fully aware of the 1986 legal change that we're still under now, and all the subsequent bills since then, and will become an expert on whatever law comes out of Congress. This is the time when you must act. There are many, many, many Hispanic people, Chinese, Nicaraguan, Cuban, whatever, who really, really should look at this very closely and become legal. Because if you don't, if you're removed, probably will never be allowed to come back. Right now, that's the case, as many of you may well know. The death penalty is called. If you stay here over 180 days longer than you should, and you're caught and you're deported or removed, you can never come back as long as you live. Consequently, you must know your rights, especially if you have any criminal charge whatsoever. You must immediately get in touch with me, and I believe I should be able to help you. There are people in this area who have immigration experience, but I think I can modestly say I probably have more, because in New York City I dealt with Africans, Indians, I advertised Indian papers, I had clients from every country in South America and Mexico. You must do something about this. I know it's easy to put off, it's easy to just have one day go to the next, but then something happens, all of a sudden you're in a detention center, you're being deported, your children are here. So please think about this and get in touch with my law firm, and I'm sure I can help you. Thank you very much.